Welcome. To find graphically the circumference of a circle, the first step is to draw a semicircle of radius equal to the radius of the circle you are about to find its circumference. I will label the center of the semicircle O. Next, I will draw a vertical line passing through the center O and intersecting the semicircle at the top and bottom. I will label the point where the vertical line intersects the semicircle at the top D and the point where the vertical line intersects the semicircle at the bottom D bar. Next, I will draw a horizontal line from point D bar. I will ensure that the line is at least 3 times the diameter of the semicircle. I will indicate the line is at 90 degrees to D bar. The next thing is to mark off along it from D bar 3 diameters of the circle you are about to find its circumference. I will number the points I marked, and I will label the end of the horizontal line A. Next, I will draw a line from point O to intersect the semicircle. This line must be 30 degrees to line OD. I will label the point where the line intersects the semicircle B. I will indicate that the line is 30 degrees to line DO. Now, I will draw a horizontal line from point B to intersect line DO. I will label the point where the line intersects line DO, C. I will also indicate that line DCB is 90 degrees to line CD. Next, I will draw a thick continuous line joining point C and point 3. I will label the drawing. Line C3 is the required circumference. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos on engineering and technical drawing. If you have any question or you are having challenges with your engineering drawing or technical drawing assignments, you can message me on WhatsApp.